y'all, welcome back to Wally's World. My name's Lindsay Wallace, and today I'm hitting you guys with another gym tag-along video. I'm going to be doing HIIT training again, different like movements, different exercises, but yeah, so this is week 2. And if you look in the description below, just like in the last gym tag-along, I'll update you guys on my current weight. But yeah, so let's just get into it. Alright guys, so right here I'm just setting my Apple Watch so that it can track my calories, but I'm gonna go ahead and jump rope for about like 5 minutes, and I do this just to like warm myself up, get the blood flowing, get my heart racing a little bit, you know what I mean? And then we'll just get into the next part of the exercise. So now I'm just going ahead and stretching out my body. I'm stretching my arms. You see me shaking my leg there because, I don't know, it's just something I used to do when I played soccer and I just can't stop, I guess. But yeah, I'm stretching out my arms, I'm stretching out my legs, just to make sure I am loosey-goosey so I don't pull any muscles or anything like that when I actually get into the whole like workout part of my workout. But this part of the exercises are just a little fast and sped up, and then when I go into the second round, it's gonna slow down so you guys could actually see like what I'm doing, if that makes sense.
Audio Jungle.
Yo, I'm pooped, but I still have like one more round and then we're gonna do abs. So now that we're slowing down a little bit, I'm gonna go ahead and take my elastic band and I'm putting it around my thighs, and then I'm using this like support straps, I guess, to do some squats. It's just nice because I can get all the way back. And then I'm doing some more squats, except when I go down and I come back up, I'm lifting up like opposite leg to opposite arm. Now I'm doing toe touches on a medicine ball. Also, by the way, so in between each exercise, I'm taking a 30-second rest, and then each exercise is 30 seconds. So now I'm kind of crawling out from a standing position, getting into a squat position, and then just bursting up. And I do also this for 30 seconds. Now I'm going to go ahead and do some lunges. You want to be like as quick as possible because the point of HIIT is to like keep your heart racing. So try to, you know, keep up the tempo. And now I'm doing some like, I don't know, half pull-ups, assisted pull-ups. They're super hard, and as you can see, dying. So now I'm going straight into my ab stuff. I only do 2 sets of this, just like I only did 2 sets of like the HIIT process. But I'm basically doing crunches. I'm using 10 pounds on this, and then after that I'm doing Russian twists. You guys probably won't see me do abs for a while because I was told that when you're trying to lose weight, you should stay away from abs. And then like once you get to closer to your desired like weight number, then start doing abs. But yeah. Alright y'all, so I just finished my workout. My face is super red. Wow. Yeah, so I just wanted to show you guys real quick. So I'm wearing one of those sweet sweatbands, and I put on the like sweet sweat stuff, and this crap makes you sweat. Look at that. It's dripping. Look at my tummy. So I'll leave a link in the description below for where I bought my band and where I bought the Sweet Sweat stuff. But that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Remember, keep a lookout for the description below for the link for the sweatband and for the Sweet Sweat stuff, and then what my progress is now as far as like my weight and stuff. But yeah, so I'll catch you all next time. If you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe so that we can stay together forever. Bye!